All right, now we have a next question, question number 7. He says that the curve has an equation y is equal to f of x. The f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus kx squared plus 14kx plus 24, and k is a constant. Find in simplest form. We just need to be find the derivative of this one. So let's see, have to take the derivative. We have to take the power at the start. This is the first part. We are going to be d over dx into x power n. The formula is you have to take the power at the start and subtract one power. So f dash of x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3, 3 minus 1, minus k multiplied by 2, 2 minus 1. The derivative of x is 1, and the derivative of constant is 0. So we'll get that f dash of x is equal to 6x squared minus 2kx plus 40. Yes, everyone. Any question? I just simply take the derivative.
Okay,
In the
sir.
next part, he says that you have to find the double derivative. So means we are going to be taking the derivative again. So f double dash of x, take the power at the start, subtract one power. The derivative of x is 1. Derivative of constant is 0. So we'll get that 12x minus 2k. This is the answer of double derivative. Now in the next B part, he says that the curve with an equation y is equal to f dash of x, means he's talking about this curve. Intersect the curve with an equation y is equal to f double dash. So you will not treat it as derivative. He says that it is the curve and it is the curve, and they are intersecting. And given that x coordinate of A is 5, you need to be find the value of. Alright, obviously if they are intersect them, so means we can solve these equations simultaneously. So we have 6x squared minus 2kx plus 14, and we have 12x minus 2k. So let's we have to solve them. I'm just going to be given the name. Let's say it is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Because they are intersecting, so comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get that 6x squared minus 2kx plus 14 is equal to 12x minus 2k. Now these are the positive values. Take it on the other side will be negative values. And one more information is given. What is the information here? Anyone? There is one more information is given here.
Which information?
Read this statement and tell me what is the main information is going to be given here.
The
Clearly, it is given that they are intersecting at A and B, and the coordinate of x coordinate is given, that is at x is equal to 5, because they are intersecting. So means this equations this point must be satisfy them. So you will get that 6 into 5 square minus 2k into 5 plus 14 is equal to 12 into 5 minus 2k. Now look at here, my complete equation is going to be converted in terms of k, and from here I just need to be make k as a subject. So read it very carefully. Always he says that they are intersecting. So I just solve these equations simultaneously. And then he told you about that this is the A point. And it is also given that the x coordinate of the A point is 5. Because where they are intersecting, so obviously x value will also be satisfy the equation. Let's simplify them. It is 5 square will be 25. 25 multiplied by 5. Yes, that will be 25 multiplied by 6, sorry.
125.
150.
150 minus 10k plus 14 and 12 multiplied by 5,
60.
it will be 60 minus 2k. Now 150 plus 14, it will be 164, plus 60 on the side will be minus 60, minus 2k plus 10k, it will be 104 is equal to 8k. 8 is multiplying, on the other side will be divide. Yes, that will be equal to
13.
P is 24. So we will get the value k is equal to 13. So always remember when examiner gives you the information, read that information carefully because in that information there is a clue. Intersection, they are intersecting. This means that you will solve it. So you can solve it simultaneously. And then you have the information of the x coordinate. So obviously whole equation will be converted into terms of k. So you can easily find the value of k. Now he says that you have to find the coordinate of b. All right, we need to find the coordinate of b. We substitute the value of k, that will be better. So my equation will be more solvable. I'm just going to be give the name, it is equation 3. Now we will get the value of k. K is equal to 13. So substitute the value here, it will be 6x squared minus 2 into 13 into x plus 14 is equal to 12x minus 2 into 13. So it will be 6x squared minus 26x plus 14. It will be minus 12x. It will be plus 26 on the other side is equal to 0. So we'll get that 6x squared minus 26x minus 12x. That will be, yes, that is equal to 8 plus 3 minus 38x. 14 plus 26, that will be 40 is equal to 0. Now look at here, it is simple quadratic equation and we can solve it by any method. Okay, before we have to solve it, I can clearly see that I can take as 2 as a common, so my equation will be more smaller. It is 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 9 is 18, 2 times 20 is equal to 0. So divided by 2 on both sides, so it will be cancelled out. So 3x squared minus 19x plus 20 is equal to. Okay, now I have an option. We can do the midterm breaking and we can do the completing square method. It's your choice. So I will do the completing square. I will do the quadratic formula, sorry. That is the easier one. We have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 19, and c is equal to 20. Yes, Mustafa, what is the quadratic formula?
Minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a.
Divided by 2a. Let's substitute the value. So we will get that x is equal to minus 19 plus minus root minus 19 square minus 4a is 3, c is 20 divided by 2a. Yes, everyone, please use a calculator and find the two values of x. The one value must be 5 because he says that
Yes,
it
sir.
will be
One is 5
intersecting
and
at
one is
5.
4 by 3.
So one will be 5, I know.
Other
And the
one's 4
second
by
one
3.
is
4 by 3.
4 by 3. All right. Look at it. He says that you have to find the b coordinate, not a. So I'm just going to be neglect my 5 value. I don't need it because I just need to be find the coordinate of b. So you can take any equation. So you can choose this equation or any other one. I will choose this one. It is easier. This is equation 2. Equation 2. Substitute the value of double dash of x will be equal to, or y value is equal to 12 into 4 by 3 minus t into k value we already have, that is 13. So 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, minus 3 times 13, it will be 26. So my final answer will be minus 10. So we'll get the coordinate b will be 4 divided by 3 comma minus 10.